Hello, I am Klaus Varnes. I am an associate professor here at Copenhagen Business School. It is my pleasure and privilege to be the coordinator of this new exciting master's program. It is a 2-year program sectioned in 4 semesters. And basically we start out with the issue of operations management, where we see the organization as an input-output system. We will talk about management of product and services, and we will talk about corporate innovation, where we will particularly emphasize the issue about the business model. An overarching element of this new master's program is the issue of performance management. Performance management relates to all these 3, suggesting here, for instance, when we talk about operations, how can we measure, how can we design management control systems that fit our strategy, how can we design cost centers, profit centers, etc. Here again, we talk about performance issues relating to the issues of product and services. What is our success rate? How can we improve success rate? How can we allocate our resources even more efficiently, but also effectively? Again here, what is the performance of the organization? Would it be possible to design a new business model that actually improves success? And as a unique property of this new master's program here is the issue of action learning. Action means you do something, and then you have to reflect and learn upon these actions you took within your own organization. And this goes on throughout the entire 2 year, that you are required to actually go out and implement solutions within your organization. So this master's program is not so much about talk, it's also about doing things. So finally, you are required to do a master's thesis, and again include the element of action learning. So we hope you find this new program exciting, and we will be looking forward to your application. Please join us.